Okay, first impressions of this little chap. I think I've named him Jeremy or something stupid when I logged in late last night. I did have a bottle of cider, which is 8.2% when I wrote it. Can't remember. But wow, what a drone. I think this might be one of my favourite drones to date. The images I've been downloading from it, absolutely fantastic. I might whack one on or a couple on the end of this. I love the portrait and flipping it to landscape mode. Brilliant idea. The actual hues and colours of the photographs are almost better, I think, than the Mavic 3. Can you believe that? I had no issues whatsoever with the signal, except when, it was getting near around a corner of a cliff or something like that. And it's certainly, I fly within 500 meters. I've got air data. I get emails if I exceed it, even by a centimeter. So it's just a very basic, simple rule. And it's there for safety. It's not to make your life a pain in the arse. So within 500 meters, these are fine. Whether in Europe with different frequencies and things, I don't know. But they work. This drone is fantastic. It is stable, responsive. I don't know. I didn't see it doing panos. I do quite a lot of panos for estate agents and things like that, and 3D. People do 3D websites and things. Can't see that, so I've probably got to use my Mavic 3 for that. But wow, what a scorcher this is. And I also love the smart controller as well, or RC Pro controller. Lovely screen. It was very bright out for me today. I was struggling to see it, but I can't blame it. It was so bright. And functions on it's very good, very simple. I don't know whether I'm being a Dumas, but I couldn't see how to switch between video and camera. I don't know if you can sort of put it on the programmable buttons over here. I was using this right hand underside button to flip between portrait and landscape modes. But unlike the sort of, is it N1 controller you get with the Mini 2 and the Mavic 3, and it's just a simple button on top for camera and video. But I couldn't see that, but I might be stupid. Weirdly, I went to a place where I was filming just a week ago, and it was saying it was in a sort of restricted fly zone. It's sort of DJI's geofencing is not identical to, certainly here in the UK, it's definitely not identical to the UK law FRZs. And I knew I was outside it, but so using this, normally I have my phone, which then has internet connection. So I had to then quickly find out how to connect this to the internet, which I did with a friend's help. Phoned a friend, and so that seemed okay. But all in all, very, very exceptionally pleased with this. I can't rate it highly enough. Thank you for watching. This is this and the drone. Okay. Battery life was good. What else? Stability, picture quality, signal. I returned home. I've seen people complaining about that, but I never use it. Why should you use it? You should be able to fly your drone back easy enough. Should know where it is because you watch it the whole time. So I can't say that it doesn't land on the sixpence. I don't know. But anyway, buy this drone. It's great, or don't buy it because it's I don't know. It's almost feels like the market's getting oversaturated with drone pilots everywhere. But that is another matter. Okay, catch you later. Cheers.